Okay, science and practice students, we're just going to have a look at our experiments today. So we've got a blood stain shape versus height experiment. So this is all about the drip or projected blood. So we've got a piece of paper here. I've got a ruler to measure my height, and I've got some coffee to emulate our blood. So my first job is to measure up 30 centimetres on my ruler and drip my blood from that height. Here goes. Okay, and that was the shape that was made. Then my next job is to mark my marker up a little higher to 50 centimetres and then 100 centimetres. So you may like to find a longer ruler. This is me guessing 50, and then 100 is obviously a little bit higher. So whatever you use to measure, there is an app, but you might have to double your ruler or so on and so forth. And then you want to wait for them to dry and measure them. So popping your ruler in, measuring, even using a pen or a pencil to mark measurements. Okay, so marking my measurement, I can see here that it is roughly about 2.5 centimetres long. Okay, 2.5 centimetres, and so on and so forth with your others. So my 50 centimetre drop here is obviously much longer, and so on and so forth. So I'll let you guys go off and have a go at this, then you're graphing your results, videoing what you do and sending it. Good luck, hope to talk soon.